Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Shareaholic, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Shareaholic, first, navigate to the Shareaholic website. On the homepage, you'll find options to sign in or create an account. If you're a new user, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Once you've completed the form, click Create Account to proceed. Now check your email for a verification message from Shareaholic. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Shareaholic website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you can see various features. To start investing, locate and select the Invest tab on the menu. Review the options for investment strategies available on the platform. Choose the strategy that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Next, you'll be prompted to link your investment account. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your account. After linking, you can view your available funds and begin making investments. Select the assets you are interested in investing in from the curated list. Take your time to review the details of each asset before proceeding. Once you've made a selection, enter the amount you wish to invest. Confirm your investment and review the transaction details. After confirming, your investment will be processed, and you can track its performance on your dashboard. Feel free to explore additional tools and resources provided by Shareaholic to enhance your investing experience. Make sure to regularly check in on your investments to monitor their progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.